Can you turn this simple Google image into something beautiful? Let's try 9 mini paintings. To start a series of 9 mini landscape paintings, I'm just taking Brustro Artist watercolor sheets. These are 300 GSM, which are very thick to paint, and you can see the texture as well. The thick sheet gives you a bright look of the painting. These sheets are very comfortable. You can use gouache paints, acrylic paints, and watercolor. So I always prefer 300 GSM, so that painting looks so beautiful. And coming to the paints, I'm taking here gouache paints. Sometimes we feel not comfortable using tubes directly on the sheet, so I always maintain paint pots and write the number which is there on the tube. This makes us to easily identify which color we need, and picking up the color is super easy, I feel. My main focus here is to encourage beginners to just start painting without overthinking. And the best part is here, no restrictions. You can just freely paint and enjoy the process. I divided the sheet into 9 small sections, and each one becomes a tiny landscape on its own. This approach is really helpful if you are new to painting because it removes the pressure of creating one perfect artwork. I'm using bright and contrasting colors to make each mini painting stand out. And I'm keeping the shapes very simple, just basic mountains, sky, sun, or moon, and a few small elements like trees or branches. You will definitely notice that I'm not focusing on details or perfection, and that's intentionally. What I feel is art should feel relaxing, not stressful. If one painting does not turn out the way you expected, that's not completely okay. You still have 8 more to enjoy and learn from. This is a great exercise to understand color combinations, composition, and confidence in brush strokes. It is like you are exploring different modes, like bright daytime scenes and calm night views, just by changing colors. Slowly, all these small paintings come together into one beautiful sheet of 9 artworks. That's the most satisfying part here. If you are someone who has been waiting to start painting but feels confused or unsure, this is the perfect place to begin. Just take a small sheet, divide it, pick any reference pick from Google or your imagination, and start painting without worrying about rules. Trust the process, enjoy the colors, and let yourself create freely. Definitely, by the end, you will not only have a lovely collection of mini paintings, but also more confidence to continue your art journey. Do watch complete video so that you will understand, because mountain views, when you are painting, the background comes first. So first you need to paint the background and then the front part. hope you enjoyed the process of this beautiful 9 mountain views and try it by yourself. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Please do subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.